So guys, today we're going to make a homemade frothy coffee. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. And if you have an electric mixer, please do use it. Mix until it becomes frothy. Ten years later. At this point, I'm done. I'm going to warm my milk, put it in a cup, and top it up with my frothy coffee. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Wait till you taste it. I hope you try it for fun. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that if I upload, you'll be able to get notified.